Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your fossil chronograph watch. First, let's set the time. Gently pull the crown out to its second position. This will stop the watch hands, allowing for precise adjustment. Rotate the crown to move the hour and minute hands to the correct time. Once set, push the crown back in fully to restart your watch and ensure it keeps accurate time. Next, we'll adjust the date. Pull the crown out to the first position. This allows you to change the date without stopping the time. Rotate the crown clockwise to advance the date to the correct day. If your watch has a day/date function, rotating counterclockwise might adjust the day. Once the date is correct, push the crown back in completely. Now, let's reset the chronograph hands if they are misaligned. Pull the crown out to the second position, stopping the time. Press the top pusher to move the main chronograph second hand and the 12 o'clock subdial hand. Use the bottom pusher to adjust other subdial hands like the minute or hour counters. Align all hands to the 0 position. After aligning the chronograph hands to 0, push the crown back in to the first position. This allows for final fine-tuning of any subdial hands that might still be slightly off. Use the top and bottom pushers as needed to achieve perfect alignment. Once all chronograph hands are precisely at their 0 marks, push the crown all the way back in to secure your settings and resume normal watch operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.